It's Tai Tai, or you can call me Dr. Tyla today. Today I'm going to be your dentist. Yes, your dentist. I'm going to check out your teeth. So all you got to do is let the video keep playing. Sit back and relax. If you have the fear of dentistry, then maybe this video isn't for you. So I'm just letting you know that I will be doing dental practicing on you. Hello. What brings you in today? I can see on my chart that you're having some upper tooth pain. Okay. Alright, well, I put on a mask because I don't want to give you germs. Because I'm going to be up in your face. And because of, COVID. So let's get started. I'm going to look inside of your mouth. Before we start, have you brushed your teeth? Have you been brushing? Okay, good to hear. So you've been brushing. Alright. Well, I'll know if you've been lying to me. I'm sorry to say. So hopefully you're telling me the truth. So, you haven't been brushing. See, there's the truth. But that's okay. That's what I'm here for. I'm going to look inside of your mouth, see what's going on in there, and get you all fixed up. Okay, I'm going to check inside of your mouth. Say, okay. Alright, I'm going to check inside of your mouth. Say, Good. One more time. Okay. Excellent. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with my Explorer into my mirror to see if you have any cavities. And you said you were having pain up here, right? Okay, I'm gonna look up there first, okay? Alright, I'm not seeing anything there. Oh, wait a minute. I think there is something up there. Let me check. Oh, you feel that? Yeah. It kind of stuck a little bit, which means you definitely have a cavity, and we need to take care of that today because it can escalate into something way worse, and we don't want that for you. We don't want you in pain. Okay, so I'm gonna check your other teeth now, just one by one, Okay. Oh no. Okay, alright, I feel another stickiness up there. So, that means you have 2 cavities now. Let's get those taken care of today, okay? So, no worries though, you won't feel any pain. Have you ever had a cavity done or filled? You have? Okay, so you know the gist of it. It's not gonna really hurt much, especially when you get that shot. Yes, I have to give you a shot. I apologize. But the decay has gotten so deep to the nerve now that we really need to give you a shot or you will feel excruciating pain, and we don't want that for you. So sit back and let me go get my shot ready, okay? I got my syringe. I need to make sure it's the right amount. Okay. Alright. On a count of 3, I want you to breathe through your nose. Deep. Breath through your nose. Deep breath through your nose, okay? Deep breath through your nose, okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Good. Very good, okay? Now I'm Okay. Let me get a little bit more on my floor here. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna change my drill bit and smooth out your new fillings, okay? Okay, now I'm going to rinse your mouth, okay? I'm gonna rinse your Alright, well, you should be good to go. Remember not to eat or chew anything hard or candy or anything like that on your new fillings. And also no hot or super cold stuff on those because you could really nerve damage and we don't want any of that. So, if you abide by those rules, you should be good to go. My receptionist will see you for your total, okay?